Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Oppo mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile guys touch vibration problem how to fix. Friends, you have Oppo mobile touch vibration problem, so how to fix touch vibration problem friends, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all guys subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So guys, when you tap on your phone button and your screen, and friends when you tap on your keyboard and friends your phone vibrate too much, so how to fix open while touch vibration problem, one by one, step by step. Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your device friends. Scroll it and friends click here sound vibration setting. After on friends sound and vibration setting, you can use your phone vibrate setting, vibrate on ring, vibrate on silent, silent mode setting, do not disturb, phone ringtone setting. Friends, you want to set any ringtone, you want to change any ringtone, so you can change from here. Friends, click here haptic setting, more sound and haptic setting. And friends, in your Oppo mobile guys, more sound and haptic setting, you want to use dial pad sound, screen lock sound, screenshot sound, delete sound, touch sound. So when touch sound is on, so friends turn off your touch sound, and guys turn off your vibrate on touch setting. And friends, now you can use friends your Oppo mobile without phone vibrate. Friends, you can tap on button, you can tap on screen. Friends, you can use your Oppo mobile without any touch vibration keyboard. So friends, your keyboard will not vibrate if you tap. So like that friends, you have touch vibration problem in your Oppo mobile. So friends, open your sound vibration setting, haptic setting, turn off vibrate on touch, problem solve. And again friends, if you on, so friends if you touch on your phone button keyboard, your phone will vibrate. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.